How to change your password on your Instagram. Today guys, I will show you how to change your password of your Instagram account. Just follow the video until the end. You go first, then you open your Instagram. Then when your Instagram is opening like that, you go down and open your profile here. Then you go to this three line, then click, and then go to settings, and then go to security and click, and then go to password, and here you will uh, write your current password. Then you will write here the new one, and here the new one again, and then you will click here to save your new password. And that's it guys. I hope this video is helpful for you. Don't forget to like and subscribe in our channel, and if you have any question, can write it down in comments, and see you next videos.